Hey there, fellow art enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something special in store for you as we take on a creative journey together. Drawing the beautiful flag of Israel. Whether you're an artist at heart or just looking to try your hand at something new, this tutorial is for you. So grab your art supplies and let's dive in. Now, before we get started, let's analyze what makes this tutorial appealing to a broader audience. The hook, my friends, is crucial. The flag of Israel is not only a symbol of the country, but also holds cultural and historical significance. So whether you're exploring your artistic side or want to learn more about different flags around the world, stick around. We've got you covered. To kick things off, you'll need a few basic materials: paper, pencils, and some markers. Don't worry if you're a beginner, we'll take it step by step. First, sketch out the two horizontal blue stripes on the top and bottom of the flag. These represent the stripes of the traditional Jewish prayer shawl, the tallit. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself, so feel free to add your unique touch. If you're unsure about proportions or colors, take your time and enjoy the process. And hey, mistakes are just opportunities for happy accidents, right? As you continue sketching, consider the significance of the Star of David, which sits proudly at the center of the flag. This six-pointed star is a powerful symbol in Judaism, representing unity and identity. Learning about the stories behind the symbols can add depth to your artwork and appreciation for different cultures. As we add the final touches to our drawing, take a moment to step back and admire your creation. Drawing flags is not just about replicating patterns, it's about understanding the stories they tell. Whether you're an art enthusiast or something curious about world cultures, this tutorial has something for everyone. Well, there you have it, folks. We successfully drawn the flag of Israel while delving into its rich history and cultural significance. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more artistic adventures and hit that notification bell. And hey, if there's a specific flag you'd like me to tackle next, drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and exploring the world through art. Happy drawing!